Boys, in the last 90 days, I've pulled £30,000 without day trading. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen my lifestyle in the last 90 days and wondered why I haven't really day traded. Because, like, let me give you guys some context. Like, I'm currently in Hong Kong, where my family is from, where my parents think that I am unemployed, and how am I living in a different country each month, living in hotels, okay? That's the bit of background story about me. But if I told them I made over £30,000, I think that's about $50,000 in 90 days, they wouldn't believe me, and they would say that I'm doing something that's illegal, because in Hong Kong there's only one way to live life, right? The only way to live life is you get a job. You work 12 hours a day. When you get home, you work as well to try be better than your colleagues, so that you can climb the corporate ladder. And if you're not doing that, then you're a failure. So we'll let them think that. And I'd rather my family think that I'm a failure than anything else. In the past 90 days, I wasn't sat at my desk 12 hours a day. Or was I really watching charts, day trading? I was traveling, living my life, and still hitting these numbers. I was even streaming, right? That's the whole point of learning to trade properly. When you first start, you're chasing that quick money, okay? You're going to be going down the day trading route because you don't have capital. But once you have got capital through day trading, which is making your side money, you have your job, which is your cash flow, and you now have two sources of income. Now, all that money that you make there, if you funnel that into your swing trades and never take any money out of your swing trades, that portfolio is going to be constantly growing. And when it constantly grows and you have a strategy in place that you can swing trade effectively, then that's when you buy back your time and you can make money without the stress of the leverage volatility, because you've got buying power now. That's the main thing about trading. The main thing people don't actually teach and hide is to swing trade properly, guys, you need capital. I'm not gonna fake it and say BS to you. You can't be a successful swing trader with £1,000. You got to build up your cash flow up, and you have to learn systems. Let's break it down. Majority of my profits came from a specific stock. Now, if you've been watching me for a long time, you would know exactly what stock I'm in. If you're in my Discord group, my free Discord group, you should know what it is as well, so I'll link that down below. I'm not someone who's jumping in and out of stocks every week. I'm focused on high volatility stocks with strong momentum. Yeah, the key was patience, okay? When the right setups come, you enter more and more and more. And that's how you're coming in and out of the market on a specific stock, because you have a strategy that you're using that you know exactly what is going to happen. Like, I have perfected the charting of this specific stock. So let me show you month one. Can you see that there? £27,000, right? Like, guys, a lot of people are going to be saying the analysis that you're doing, AI can be done, AI can do this, AI can do that. AI can't handle emotion, guys. So the moral of the story of this video is you need to believe in your stock, you need to believe in your strategy, and then you can buy your time back. No one's going to be telling you what to do. I'm not going to be sitting there telling you how to trade. Like, I'm not going to be sitting there pressing the buttons for you. I can give you an education and teach you everything that I know and how I make money. However, if you don't have time in the market, you won't know, and you'll be scared. You'll be scared to take action. You'll be overthinking things, and then when you're overthinking things, you might have missed the move already. So to be successful in the trading game, you need to be able to make decisions fast, take action, and not be scared of the outcome. Because everyone can say they're the best at trading when the market goes up. Everyone can say, I've just been fucked by mosquitoes, bro. Oh my god, I'm getting killed by mosquitoes here. That's so bad. So bad. Oh, I'm getting killed. Everybody can, like, when the market is up, everyone's a genius. But when it's down, who's gonna be there to save you? Yeah, you're in my community, I can help calm you guys down, but you need to learn how to handle your emotion, boys and girls. So, the market sentiment now, if you're in the Bitcoin stocks, AI stocks, should be a clean run up from here, and everyone's gonna print. So if you're in the positions that I'm in and you're in my inside group, let's get to the top together and absolutely print. Lock in, boys.